challenge where we had to shift the focus of learning from the teachers to the students, and they had to realize that learning was their own responsibility. But we managed it very well, much better than our expectations, and came out with flying colors.
IB learners decide their own pace as well as mode of learning. Like for example, in this unit of inquiry on migration, few students brought videos from home, others they brought newspaper cuttings on migration, and still few they discuss with their parents at home about what exactly is migration. So they try to explore more in different ways. So in this way they become responsible learners.
I learned the way I want.
I express the way I want.
No more boundaries.
No more limitations.
Learning is fun now.
My children now understand that people often face discrimination once they migrate to a particular place. One day one of my children came to me and she said that, "Ma'am, whenever there's a new admission in my class, I'll not discriminate and I'll go out of my way to make that child feel comfortable." That was my aha moment, and I feel IB learning is real life learning.
We have two kids in this school, DPSG, and they are studying for last 4-5 years here. We are actually very happy with this PYP program, which I think it's helped us the child to build more confident and more interactive. I believe that he is getting more involved with day-to-day life, and he is very confident, and more importantly that he enjoys his school very much.
He is very enthusiastic about all the activities that are being done in the school, and especially activities like topics of migration and national calamities, in which he did very well. And
Yeah, these are very difficult topics, and
the understanding was very good, and they enjoyed the discussions, and then they came up with new queries also. So in a way they have become inquirers in a way, and they come up with new queries every day.
yeah, this is the best thing that we think the child is developing.